And going to codes online, lockcodes.com, get yourself an account there. So I have the code from Ford, or wherever you get it from. The code we're doing is 1366X. So I'm going to look up the code. So I'm going to go to, I have to sign in. So I chose Fram in there, and I can have the most popular ones up there. My code is 1366X. Let's look it up. And we're doing a Ford Mustang. Go down the list. It's a 2014. Here we go, Ford Mustang. And there we go. Our code is a 131235534. It gives us the various key blanks we can use. Again, this is all just via cellular. And it tells me, because if I want to use my Framin, what to use. Really, really good. I want to try this using my ITL numbers. There's ITL. Enter my code. 1366X. Go. We know we have a Ford Mustang. And it is correct. Gives us the codes. 131235534. And it even tells me my ITL factory manufacturer numbers, 522, and use the insert. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.